Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take you along with me as I try to figure out why this morning my car did not want to start at first. So it obviously didn't start on the first try, but on the second try it did. Then on my way to school I realized that the radio was not working at all. And halfway through the trip on the way to school it started working, so then I figured nothing's wrong. But indeed, I was wrong. And on my way home, I noticed that the gauge for my battery on the dash was fluctuating, so I asked my instructor what it could be, and he led me to the alternator possibly going out. Once I was given this information, I took my car to a parts store and they tested the alternator and it came back with good readings. So the next thing that could be wrong is the battery. So I took the battery to the parts store that I got it from. They tested it and the battery was also good. So I was informed at the parts store that possibly the connections from the terminal or to the fuse box on my vehicle could be corroded or not connecting well. So that's what I'm going to do, is clean those. So that connection seems to be better, so I'm going to try the other connection up in the engine bay. 1 second. So, the battery cable... Oh, that is showing signs of corrosion. They're not terribly corroded. I believe this is the battery. Wait. Okay, so that's the battery cable, that's for sure. Stay there. Beep. Okay, so I believe I established a better connection with the battery. And now I'm going to put these back together, and hopefully that's also a good connection. And then hopefully she starts. A moment of truth. In just a few seconds, into the car we go. Keys. Okay, I've got lights. We've got power. And she starts. Can I get off? Oh, yeah! Woo! Alright, let me see. I'm gonna watch the battery gauge. I think we're good. Whoo, doggy! Who knew? Seemed to be good. Yeah! Still got power. We're in good shape, ye doggy. So there you have it. With just a little motivation and a little bit of knowledge and help from others, you can get stuff done in automotive as well as anywhere else. Thank you for joining me as I figured that out. I am so grateful because I thought I was gonna have to buy another battery. I just bought that one 2 months ago. Thankfully it wasn't that. I did have to make an extra trip, but it wasn't for naught. I wouldn't have known. Well, I might have known, but I got some more insight on what it might be. Cleaned the connections. This connection down here at the actual battery terminal is much more secure, which is necessary for these vehicles with all of these computers and gizmos and gadgets and all that stuff. So I succeeded at problem solving and troubleshooting, and now my car runs. So now I can get to my test tomorrow, as well as get to work on Friday and for the rest of the time without buying another battery. So thank you again for joining me for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me figure stuff out, and thankfully there was a successful story at the end of this, and I'm happy. So if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, like the video, hit that bell for notifications when I post, and I'll see you next time. Peace. Well, folks, welcome back to another day, a successful day at Grace Lee's channel of learning car mechanics. Well, folks, there you have it. With just a little spit and grit, you can get some clean connections and get your battery started. Yee-haw. No, I'm just kidding. But anyways,